Hi, it's Kate from True Blue Homeschool, and today's Roadschooling Adventures takes us to the Colorado Gators Reptile Park. If you're traveling through South Central Colorado and have an hour or two to spare, stop by the Colorado Gators Reptile Park in Mosca, Colorado, about 20 minutes outside of Alamosa and about 25 minutes from the Great Sand Dunes National Park. They're open 7 days a week from 9 to 4, and it costs $10 for kids and seniors, $20 for adults, and it's free for 5 and under or 80 and over. It's a very hands-on sanctuary, and you can feed some of the animals while you learn about them.
That's because of malnutrition. We were feeding them a lot of fruit, which is okay for a snack, but like for a daily regimen, it's not good. What happens is the shell starts growing faster than the rest of the body. So instead of width and length, it goes in height. It can actually like really affect them bad. We've seen some with like bad habits, like bad diets, and they'll have holes in their shell. You can see inside them.
So like smooth. This guy's more smooth.
Yeah, smooth is, that's a good diet, yeah.
From the second you step into the sanctuary, you can walk among the tortoises and feed them for free. You can hold a snake if you want, and then step into their reptile collection room to view their terrariums.
Eastern king snake. I got to hold a king snake.
Yeah, at the zoo the other day. They have all types of reptiles and a few amphibians, and then if you want, you can hold a baby gator for a free photo op. They even give you a free souvenir of the gator's bite marks in a piece of paper. One of my favorite animals was the tiger salamander, but they also had a lot of snakes and even an axolotl, which was pretty cool. After the reptile and amphibian room, you're greeted by a parrot and many large fish tanks before heading outside to see the gators. That's a lot. Holy smokers. There were so many of all different sizes, and you could feed some of them with a bucket of pellets.
And more hunters, the hikers are still too punchy.
They weren't very active during the middle of the day, but it was interesting to see so many up close. The sanctuary also had some other animals, including emus. I didn't get to hear why they were there in the sanctuary, but they definitely are unique animals. There are also geese and ducks that Tom was trying to train.
Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud, goosey duck.
The last stop before the gift shop was a touch table with alligator skins and skeletons. Well, that's it for this adventure to the Colorado Gators Reptile Park. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time when we homeschool one adventure at a time.